video of the problem with my Vimukun coffee maker. Your company asked me to send the power button is not lit. The power button was lit to start with until it dimmed considerably. Now it's not lit at all. Before I couldn't get the machine. Now I see a slight piece of blue light. Tiny. Now it seems to have stopped brewing early. I'm going to try to restart it. That's what happens when I press the button. The light, power or something is faulty. That, and it didn't brew. Now it's starting to brew again a little bit. Stopped. I'll do it again. Press the button. I barely see a blue light at the back. It's visible in the video right now, the blue light, but from my eyesight at this angle, which is minimal, I can't see the blue light. I have to look down extremely close at a close angle to see a tiny blue light. Now the light comes back on. Now it's done. Something's not right with it.